Our story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price, a reduced price, and fuel efficient. Features also include heated seats, remote start, leather seats, hands-free Bluetooth integration, sun moonroof, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick. With these ratings, you are going to love the 2015 Passat. The Volkswagen Passat is roomy and powerful. It is a supple and controlled ride with a quiet and comfortable ride. Volkswagen brings it all together and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, navigation system, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, keyless entry, remote engine start, traction control, anti-lock braking system, stability control, leather-wrapped steering wheel. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.